That's a better fish.
Perfect.
What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be fishing from this pond. It is a big size pond. If you can see behind me, the wind is blowing super hard. The plan was to bring the boat out today, but it is not happening. I don't want to be just going around in a circle like a UFO. So the wind is blowing super hard. Chatterbait, lipless crankbait. Let's see what we can make happen. Let's go. I need a big girl. It's 2019 and I'm not here to play. Let's see what we can make happen. You know what they say, man. If it's a difficult spot to fish, it's probably the right spot. And I believe it. Everything is earned. Look at that. You ain't think it was gonna be easy, did you? This should be the money spot. We're gonna make multiple casts over here. So we're gonna try directly straight in front of us. That is where everything is pushed down and the fish could just sit up and ambush it. I love this, man. So perfect spot, guys. You have this point that sticks off and it's alive, so it should hold oxygen. Try to come right across the front of it with this chatterbait. Is that a good fish? Oh man, I thought I had a good fish. God, that felt good. Oh, got him, guys. That was dope. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. God, that was intense. Woo. Oh, got him, guys. That was dope. Oh, shoot. So we're at spot number 2. Hopefully we can change our luck. The wind is still pretty insane. We had that one good fish at spot number 1 that came up out of the grass and chumped down on the chatterbait. Nothing's gonna change. I'm gonna throw the chatterbait, the lipless crankbait, and the BullGill. Let's see what we can make happen. Oh, that's a good fish, guys. Yeah, got him on the chatterbait. Y'all can tell, guys, it's fairly cool, and this fish is really pale. Let me give him the sunlight. This time of year, when that water's muddy like that, they're not gonna be as bright and dark as they usually are. That's a good old chatterbait fish right there. Got him right on the lip. That was one subtle hit. I'm gonna say this fish is probably right around 2.5, 3 pounds. That's on the chatterbait with the little easy bag gambler. That fish smelled just like peppermints. Oh, another one. Oh gosh. Hold up, easy, easy, big fella. Now this dude is super vicious, goodness gracious. Same type of situation, guys. That fish hit right there on that grass line. These chatterbaits are great for dirty stained water. And that little easy bait there has a great kick on the back end. Let's release it and get another fish. That's a better fish. Oh, that's a better one. It's a 4-banger. That's a 4-banger. All right, guys, it's a nice 4-pounder. Caught him on this bank. This fish hit it right underneath a grass line. white chatterbaits, muddy water, that's what you want to use. Let's release this big guy.
Perfect.
Oh, damn, man. Damn. Man. Shit. Why am I losing these fish? Guys, help people out, man. Damn, that was a hard ass hit for a big fish, man. God Almighty knows, man. Bull Shad, 6-inch model, man. Help people out, man. Just lost a good one. God. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Man, oh man, that BullGill fish hurt my heart, man. I swear to God, I thought I had it, man. And one of the craziest things is when you're fishing one of those big swim baits and they're moving along fairly fast, that fish has to catch up, come up, and just smash it. I swear to y'all, guys, when you get hit on a bait like that, it is unlike no other. I hear people say, like, they hit spinner baits hard, they hit lipless crankbaits hard. No, till you felt one hit a 6-inch bait fish at full speed, you do not know what it's like. Man, that fish hit, and I tried to set the hook, and it came out of nowhere. It was probably 15 casts in with nothing going on. One of those deals where you're like, just in a moment, you're not focusing, and boom, out of nowhere, that fish destroys your bait. Now, hopefully, I can catch it next time. I think that I'm setting the hook a little too hard on a bait that has multiple hooks on it, or also that my rod just may be a little bit too stiff and I'm still pulling that bait out of that fish's mouth when it's actually biting it, or either when that fish is trying to hit it hard, ambush the prey and stun it. I don't know, but I keep missing these swim bait fish. So guys, to wrap this video up, the big thing I want to take away from this one is that these fish were stayed up on wind-blown banks. They were actually underneath the grass. This was one of the few times I felt like as a bank angler, I had an advantage. I could work my lure directly parallel to the shore. I almost get it underneath those grass lines. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care.